Hello there, my name is Lisa and welcome back to my channel. I'm having a planner week at Lollipop Box Club. That means lots of planner videos for you, different styles of planning, different types of planning, and every day over on the Lollipop Box Club blog there is a planning blog post for you every day. I will leave that link for you below so you can go and take a look. Now I set up my new kitchen planner on video for you on Monday. I will leave that link below as well, and this is the video, sorry, the planner that I set up. But I do need some dashboards. I need to have some different sections for different types of meal planning within my planner. Now I'm working today with my Cocoa Daisy kit, and I've taken out some bits and pieces here, and I'm going to be using my September kit to create my dashboards. That's what I'm doing today. I've made a list of the different dashboards I need. I need a section for breakfast recipes, dessert recipes, Slimming World recipes, and dinner recipes, and that's exactly what I'm going to do right now. If you like this type of video, if you enjoy planning and creative type of videos, please do subscribe to my channel. I have these types of videos every single week. The button is below to hit subscribe, and please hit the bell button as well so you don't miss any future uploads. Thank you. So I'm going to be creating the 4 sections using the dashboard papers from the Cocoa Daisy planning kit. I'm also going to make a spare section. I have a lot of recipes on notes, and I've decided to create a double-sided pocket dashboard with the 12 by 12 paper from the main scrapbooking kit as well. Now to start with, I'm going to decorate these. I've got some tab tops and I want to laminate them just to give them an extra bit of thickness, just to make them a bit more sturdy, especially as they will be used in the kitchen. I'm just using these really cheap £1 pack of laminating pouches from The Works, so it doesn't have to be anything expensive. These dashboard papers are nice and sturdy and they are double-sided. I am going to cut some of these papers down though, as I would like to pretty them up just a little bit more, add a little bit more decoration rather than just using the patterned paper. I'm now going to pop these into individual laminating pouches and pop them through the laminator. So these have all been laminated, and I'm just going to cut around the outside now. It just feels so much stronger now, and obviously they're splash proof as well. Some sticky tape, some double-sided sticky to the tabs and attaching them to the top. Stuck on. The reason I've stuck these afterwards, I've used repositional tape so I can always change the tabs if I want to. I can move them around or I can change them to something completely different. So I've now got my laminated inserts, and I'm just going to decorate them a little bit with some of the chipboard and stickers from the kit. These pretty little studio stickers from the classified kit, which I'm going to add. Each one is finished, and I just need to add the holes so that I can pop it into my planner. Plan B, the bit where I've added the card on top will not go through the punch, so instead I'm going to have to hold them myself, which isn't the end of the world. I'm going to use one of these as a template and hold it over the top and use my big bite to do that. I could probably get quite a few done at the same time actually. It will go through all of them. And I'm using the recipe pages from Simple Stories from the Carpe Diem range, and I'm just placing them in, and obviously I can move them around. I still need to fill quite a lot of them out. To make a pocket dashboard, I'm going to mark this off and cut it to size. I'm going to use the dashboards that I've just made as a guide. I'm going to cut along that line there. I've now got my lovely wide piece of paper, and I'm going to cut it. Actually, let's do it this way. Fold it in half, and I'm going to fold that. And then to make the pocket, I'm going to add some adhesive along the edges there, just those two edges. So I've got some along the bottom and some at the side, and stick those together. And that gives me my pocket, and then I can pop in any little recipes that I have. And I'm just going to pretty this up a little bit, and I'm going to need holes in here as well. I wonder if this will actually work now. Yes, I was going to add this at the back like that, and I just need to find something pretty to secure this down. I'm going to use this big chipboard piece here, and I'm really pleased with that actually. And I'm going to get some alphabet Stevalicious stickers here. I do think that these were possibly from the pocket kit, and I'm going to spell out recipes. And I've got recipes like this. This one was given to my husband by his mum, so I'm actually, although it's scruffy, I kind of feel it should be kept, so I can pop that in there. And I'm really pleased now with this recipe binder. So we've got these dashboards, feel really nice. I found some more stickers from the kit as well, and then I can start adding my new recipes to my file. We've got the dinner one, and we've got the desserts, and then at the very back we've got the recipe pocket as well. I hope you've enjoyed this video. These are such simple things to do, but they're really fun, and they look really good too, and they're very practical, which I always enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know, do you have a recipe file as well? Do you have masses of recipe books? I have been decluttering mine recently and going through books that I no longer need or haven't used for such a long time. I do also use Pinterest for my recipes, but I do have a lot of recipes that I need to write down in here. So please tell me how you store your recipes. I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.